Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I just got my Ipsy bag in the mail and I thought I would jump on here real quick and film. I've had my makeup on all day. It probably looks a little, it's alright. I also watched a sad video on YouTube and it made me cry. So, yeah. Oh, let's see what I got here. Oh, okay. Move that. We've got the thing, the Beauty Olympics. There we go. You know, I didn't watch any of the Olympics. It tells me what's in my bag. This is a cute bag. I do like this. The lettering feels like felt. And the bag feels like vinyl or something. Alright, let's see. I'm just going to dump everything out. I think I can remember what I picked. I did pick something. That was really a cute bag. Okay, first we have Benefit Matte Milk Primer. The Professional. Okay. This featherweight primer is a multitasking marvel, soothing away the appearance of pores, locking in makeup, and absorbing excess oils for a flawless and natural looking matte finish that lasts all day. No midday makeup meltdowns here. Okay. It's okay. It's a primer. Next. One kind, let's see if I can get it to focus. I don't know if it'll focus or not. One Kind Youth Drops Gentle Refining Peel. It's a peel. Wake up to brighter, smoother, and more even looking skin with this overnight serum. Its gentle formula features a combo of glycolic, lactic, and salicylic and malic acids. Wow. Plus vitamin C. It's got it all in there. To help target dark spots, discoloration, acne scars, dullness, and visible fine lines. Tip, make sure your skin is completely dry before applying this. Okay. Oh, I didn't tell you prices. Full size of this would be $48. That would be a 30 ml. This is so small I can't read it. That's 0.33, I think. So it is way smaller. The Benefit full size is 36.75 ounces. And this is 0.1 ounce. Okay. Next, Korres. I like Korres. Here we go. Korres Greek Yogurt Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. This light and airy gel cream packs a hydrating punch. So it's a moisturizer. Okay. Quenching the thirsty skin with time-release moisture, while a blend of prebiotics and probiotics help to balance out your whatever. I can't read today. Anyway, full size of this is $39, which is 40 mils. This is 0.68 fluid ounces or 20 mils. This is half the price. So if full price is 40s, 20. All right. Oh yeah, okay. Miel, M-I-E-L. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe it'll focus. It really doesn't want to. There we go. Now, focus on me. Thank you. This is Honey Infused Sugar Scrub. Okay, I was wondering if this was for body or skin. It's for body. It's pre-shave exfoliant. It helps buff away rough, bumpy skin with pineapple and papaya extracts. Okay, you got me at pineapple. We're going to smell this one. We got to open it. Does it have a safety seal? Of course. I just used a scrub up, so I'll just throw this one in the shower. Little bit. I can smell. It's a little bit pineapple and papaya smelling. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. Before shaving, massage a liberal amount over damp skin in the shower and rinse. A full-size version is $35. That's 250 ml. This is 36 ml. Okay? And the last thing, I believe it's what I chose. Finding Ferdinand Gloss Color in Thorn. Yeah, I picked the lip product. Say hello to your fave nude lippy. I can't read today. I'm tired. It's a full day. I gotta go cook dinner. It's packed with nourishing marula oil for deep hydration and high luster shine. While I'm reading, I'm taking the plastic off. Trying to anyway. Where are we at? Here we are. This nudie brown shade slays on its own. But also looks gorgeous layered over your fave lipstick for a glossy finish. Okay. Tips. Wipe onto your bare lips or lipstick. What kind of tip is that? That's what you do. That's how you wear lip gloss. That's not a tip. Full size, $26. That's 4 ml. This is 1.5 ml. Let's look at it. Let's watch it. Let's smell it. No smell whatsoever. You see it, of course it's sheer, it's a gloss. But yeah. That's pretty. I don't have a gloss like this. So, not bad. Lip gloss I chose. The only other makeup I got would be a primer. That's not exciting. And then I've got this body scrub. I kind of like that. I like the body scrub. I like the lip gloss. Moisturizer's alright. I've got tons of samples of moisturizers. And then this gentle refining peel thing for at night. I mean, it's okay. Okay. My favorites, though, I think are the gloss and the body scrub. Not bad. Favorite bag? No. Worst bag? No. It's just right in there in the middle. So, that's okay. I just want to get on here real quick and do this unbagging, and I'm going to edit this after dinner and get it up this evening. A little bonus video for you. So guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.